Hello, today I've got a 2021 GMC Yukon Denali that just traded for yesterday. This vehicle will be available pretty soon. Just want to quickly go over this features on this model. This one is one owner trade-in, extremely well equipped. Does have the panoramic roof, the heated and ventilated front seats. We'll just go around real quick. Of course, this is the 6.2 V8 in this model. Open this up back here. As you can see, it's not with your cleanup yet. It's a very clean vehicle. Really nice interior. Does have the cargo cover here to cover up your goodies. Of course, your power up and down third row and your tumble seats for the second row. Really like the interior on this one. Really pretty. I don't think anybody's had much time back here in the back seats. It does have the rear entertainment system in the back. You can have a good view of that sunroof. Panoramic sunroof, really nice. There are your outboard seats that are heated. Of course, your HDMI slots for the rear entertainment, as well as your USB-C chargers, and your power plug down below with rear vents. As you can see, it's really sharp interior. Power seats, Denali etched in the leather. Large screen. As you can see, a very large display. Transmissions, reverse is there, neutral is a button, drive is there, and park is right here, as well as you have this range selector down at the bottom where you can put in drive and then go to L and pick what gear you want to be in. A lot of commonalities between this and our Tahoe. There's your wireless charger, your ventilated and heated seats, driver and front passenger, as well as rear air controls are right there. And that'll pull this menu up here when you hit the rear air. Another good feature this one has is the head-up display. I'll just try to make that show up. It's hard to tell. There it is. It was turned off. That's a pretty cool feature. Shows you some vitals on the vehicle. Of course, your heated steering wheel is here, as well as your cruise control, forward collision alert. All your controls for your channels are on the back, and your volumes behind here. And this simply brings up your push to talk button and hang up for your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And this is your driver information center, just like on the Tahoe. This one does need an oil change, and it is available right now. I don't have the pricing yet on it. Go to buywithme.com, just type in Denali as the vehicle you're interested in. I will definitely get you that price on this model. And there you go, nice bows. Of course, memory seating and your power folding mirrors there. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you have any questions on this vehicle. Happy to help. Y'all have a wonderful day.